Hey guys, this is Devin with LivBay Lash. I've been lashing for a little bit over 2 years now. This channel is dedicated to all things lashes and beauty. If you haven't already, hit the subscription button down below. So today we're going to be talking about double dipping your fans. What you do is you hand make your fans as you have your client there with you. You're in the appointment and you're hand making your fan, and you just dip the fan a tiny bit in the glue to where you can barely even tell that it's in the glue. And pretty much what that's doing is it's freezing the fan where it's at. It's not going to let the fan or any of the lashes in the fan move at all, so it keeps the fan perfect. And then you can isolate, dip your fan more in the glue, so that's your second dip, and then you can place the fan onto the lashes. So you're just going to make your fan like usual. And I use the pinching method, so we're going to go ahead and pinch and take off that excess. And you're just going to place the fan in the tiniest bit of glue just so that it keeps the fan together and so that it doesn't fall apart. That way you can set it off to the side and take both of your tweezers to be able to isolate, and you get that perfect isolation every time. Then you can go pick your fan back up, dip in a little bit more glue that second time, and you're just going to place it on that natural lash. And I like to hold my isolation for a couple of seconds, and there you go. But you want to make sure that on the first dip you're not putting too much glue, because then you're going to be dipping it a second time. So if you dip a lot the first time and then dip a lot the second time, it'll be way too much glue on the fan, and then it would be hard to isolate and you might glue the fan to 2 lashes. So you really want to make sure that the first dip there's barely any glue and it's just to keep the fan together. The reason why double dipping is so beneficial is because you're able to make your fan, dip it in a little bit of glue, and place it to the side so that you can use both your tweezers and both of your hands to isolate. That way you have perfect isolation every time and you're able to use both of your tweezers. Alright, that's all that we have for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.